Get ready with me while I'm talking about my skin. Di naman lingid sa inyong kaalaman na I went from a super duper OA breakout, as in malala talaga. So I stopped sharing too much about my skin and skincare for a while because I am trying to look for the right one. This is my skin now. Maya't maya meron pa naman ako mga acnes because of my monthly visitor. But my main concern now are my acne marks, as you can see. I searched for the best skincare ingredient and lumabas na malaking tulong ang vitamin C for that. Kaya ito ako ngayon nagpabudol na I'm using Jelly Prime Fresh Active Vitamin C Radiance Cream. Ginagamit ko to for quite some time now, siguro 1 week. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa mga problem areas ko, especially on this side of my face. So please don't apply this sa mga active pimple ninyo. Ako, I have active here, kaya iiwasan natin yan. Also, don't forget to apply your sunscreen please whenever you're using any active ingredient such as vitamin C. Now, I'm going to put sunscreen. Share ko lang, ito talaga yung gusto kong finish ng skin ko bago ko maglagay ng makeup. Maglalagay lang ako ng concealer. Then I'm blending it with my favorite concealer brush. Gamit lang ako ng separate concealer para pang takip ng under eye area natin. Set ko lang yung face ko with loose powder. Baka nakalimutan ko kanina. Itong ginagamit kong moisturizer from Jelly Prime. Meron siyang niacinamide and ascorbic acid or vitamin C. Those two ingredients are meant for fading acne mark and brighten ng skin. Plus, yung love ng iba sa atin na 5 times ceramide. That ingredient naman is meant for your skin barrier. Proceed na ako with my blush on. And a little bit of contour, lalo na sa forehead. Of course, hindi pwedeng kalimutan ng kilay. At nagmamandali tayo, dapat may kilay pa rin tayo. Now, brow mascara na tayo. And let me just curl my lashes. And then, some lipstick on. Tapos na tayo. Now, I'm done with my makeup. Sobrang simple lang ng makeup natin for today. So, if you are troubled by dull and dark acne marks like I was, join me in using this Jelly Prime Fresh Active Vitamin C Radiance Cream. I'll try to put the link na lang in my bio or sa showcase ko because guaranteed this is part of my skincare routine na.